Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this one I am going to be cooking my breakfast and making my morning meal. So to get started, I've already put my waffle in the toaster. Now I'm grabbing the ghee. Okay, so now up close. It's like a high-class type of butter made from India. It's really good. It actually makes your food taste much more better. And then I really didn't know what I was going to do with the eggs, but here I am just cracking it, and then 2 shells had fell inside of the pan. As you can tell, I just started my day and I'm like super hungry and trying cooking this egg. Alright, so I went with scrambling the eggs. Oh, please don't mind my face. I honestly just woke up and washed my face and brushed my teeth and like tried doing my hair. As you can tell, this is like my 3rd hairstyle in this video. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I'm going to be putting in the collagen. This is really good for pretty much anything and everything that you do eat. I put this in everything, majority of what I do eat. So I'm going to be putting it in my egg. It's really good in building, body tissue. It's a good source of vitamin C. So this is actually really, really good. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue scrambling these eggs.